Right, we're just going to have a look at a basic exam question, how to move the vectors around a shape and use the vectors only given in the question. Because when you do vector questions and use vector algebra, you're only allowed to be able to use the questions which are defined, the vectors which are defined in the question. So in this question we've got A, B, C, D, E, F is this regular hexagon, and OA, so O to A, is defined as the vector A, and AB is defined as the vector B. Note in exam questions A and B are written in bold, but we will write them underlined because you can't write in bold. Now the first question is find expressions in terms of A and B for OB. So we want to get from O to B using just A and B. We can't get there with just A or just B, but we can get there if we use A and B. So if you go A plus B, then we end up getting to OB. If you remember from the last video how we add a vector on by putting it on the end of another vector. So we just write the answer down as equal to vector A plus vector B. Now we want to do AC, so we want to get from here to here. The only thing is A goes in this direction. So if we were to put A on the end of B, we'd end up going over here. So what we need is we need minus one lot of A here, okay, to go on the end of B, and we put that on the end of B. So we've got B minus one lot of A. Well, we don't write minus 1A, we just write minus A. So we've got B minus A. Now we want to go from E to C. To get from E to C, we've got to think about how we can use A and B. And what we can do is we can use the fact that we've got the hexagon will divide up into equilateral triangles to understand this. So effectively, if we know that we've got A goes there, and then B takes us back to there, and then another B takes us back to there, and I'm going to put this vector here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make T equal 2 to get my double length B, and what you'll see is put that on the end of there. 1A plus 2B will get me from E to C. So it's 1A plus 2B. So I hope that little demonstration there helps you work out how to move using just the vectors given to you in the question around shapes, and know that you can only use these ones which are given to you to solve the question. So remember that when trying to do any vector exam question.